Hey guys, this is Tony with Alternative Living Spaces. I want to show you a video of our very first shipping container home. Still to this day, it's one of my favorite ones. Check it out. One of my favorite features about this tiny home is the double wide front doors. They're the original doors that were on the container, and we converted them into the front doors. And so they're 8.5 feet wide, which is huge for a tiny home front door, so no problem moving furniture in and out. And the nice thing about these doors is it's actually glass from top to bottom, and so it brings in a lot of sunlight, makes the space feel a lot bigger as well. And because of the original container doors, the doors are able to be opened at 180 degrees, which is a great feature to have as well. One of the unique features about this tiny home is the amount of windows it has. For being 165 square feet, this has 11 windows, which is pretty awesome. Provides a lot of sunlight and a lot of opening up the space as well, bringing the outdoors in. One other thing, because there's so many windows, you really get a great opportunity of checking out what's going on outside, whether it's sunrises or sunsets, enjoying your morning coffee, and just getting ready for the day. It just makes everything a lot easier because of how much light's coming in. Something that adds character to the tiny home is the wood beams that are on the inside. It has 5 wood beams going across the top. They're real wood beams, also providing another level of structure, so when you're moving this around, you don't have to worry about drywall cracking or things along those lines. That the beams provide structure and also make it look a lot better as well. The first space you enter when you walk into this tiny home is the living room / bedroom. So this space initially just looks like a living room, an opportunity for you to watch TV, pick up a good book, to hang out, kick your feet up on the coffee table and just relax. But it also is the bedroom as well. So on the wall is actually not just a picture of a deer. This also functions as a bedroom. The Murphy bed folds down, and the coffee tables actually become the 2 legs for the Murphy bed. And then now you have a bed as well. You can close the curtains, provide you with extra privacy, and you can get some good night's sleep. This tiny home also has a good sized kitchen. It has a stainless steel sink, stainless steel fridge, as well as stainless steel handles on all the cabinets. The cabinets are pretty good size, so you can fit a lot of silverware, pots, pans, whatever pantry space you might need, as well as the granite countertops and the granite backsplash as well. After you're done cooking or preparing your meal, you can go ahead and sit down at the bar top. It provides a good space for you to eat your meal. This space also can function as an area for you to do some studying, get on your laptop and kind of just surf the internet, whatever it is, a nice little sitting area. One thing I like about the bar top is it really combines that modern feel as well as that industrial feel. And so on the very bottom, it has a industrial piping footrest. Also behind that, it has one other cool feature with the bar top is that it has a rack underneath, which is just a pole for you to hang more clothing. So if you need some more extra space to hang some jackets, you can actually hang them right under the bar top as well. When it comes to storing your clothes, this tiny home also has a 1930s dresser. This was something that we completely restored. It was actually a foot taller, so we took off the bottom cabinets, restained it, sanded it down, did all the 9 yards, and really turned it into a really nice piece. Not only does this unit have 8 drawers in it, so it's a substantial amount of storage for whatever clothing you might have. In the center, it actually has a door that opens up and is a space for you to hang clothes. So it really provides ample storage space for all of your clothing needs, whether it's jackets, dresses, jeans, shorts, really a lot of space in there. My favorite piece for this entire tiny house is actually the barn door though. I love this piece because, like the bar top, it also is a combination of industrial features as well as modern features. As you notice on the very top of it, it has stainless steel hardware, and then the door itself is a little bit more rustic with a nice rustic handle on it. And so on the other side of the barn doors is our bathroom. The bathroom itself ties in really nicely with the rest of the home. It has the same black granite that is in the kitchen is also in the shower, as well as stainless steel accents, industrial pipe rod for the curtain. Also in the bathroom is a good sized sink, toilet, and you have storage above the sink and toilet. If you need to store some towels or whatever you need for your restroom, you have plenty of space in there for storage. In all, this tiny home has everything you need. The AC unit is a 9,000 BTU mini split, and so it's actually enough for a 350 square foot unit, which means it's more than enough for this at 165 square feet. Also, when it comes to plumbing, sewage, water, The hookups are similar to any RV, and so it can function in that way. Currently, this tiny home is not on wheels, which is something that's cool about it. If you have a backyard or you're looking to place it maybe as a casita or a guest house, you don't need it on wheels. It can rest on the ground, but it does have that flexibility. You can go ahead and put it on wheels and you can tow it around. Because it's a steel container, it's actually really easy to transport it. You can get it on a flatbed tow truck, and if it's within the city, it's about $150, $100, and you can get it moved around. If you're looking for a tiny home, this may be a great fit for you. This unit in particular does a great job at bringing the outdoors in with the large double front doors, the 11 windows. It also just is very practical and functions easily. The Murphy bed is something that you can pull down, crash, and go ahead and put it right back up and have plenty of space for your living. I think there's a few cool options you can do with this tiny home. I think it's a great entry-level tiny home. It's not going to break your budget compared to some other ones. Also, this is a great tiny home if you're looking to add some extra space to your home, if you need a casita, somewhere for relatives to stay, or if you're trying to make some extra income and you want to use something like this as an Airbnb or as some place for people to vacation and really make some money that way. Thank you for checking out the video of our very first container home. If you're interested in container homes and would like more information, you can visit our website at alternativeliving spaces.com or follow us on Instagram or Facebook at Alternative Living Spaces.